Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make barbecue chicken tachos. Have you ever heard of tachos? I haven't until just recently, and I thought, wow, is this a thing? It really is a thing. It's nachos made with tater tots. With the Super Bowl just around the corner, I thought these would be perfect to have as an appetizer for the game. And not only just for the Super Bowl, but any game night or just because. So let me know in the comments if you've ever heard of tachos, if you've ever had tachos. So follow along so that I can show you how to make these delicious chicken barbecue tachos. So our tater tots just came out of the oven, and I'm going to transfer them into this baking dish. This is just how we're going to serve it. You can use whatever tater tots you want. I know there are many different kinds out there. It really doesn't matter. Choose what you want. I'm just gonna try and spread them out like this. They're all nice and crisp from the oven. And I have some shredded chicken. Now I don't have exact amounts, so I can't really tell you. I just kind of shredded this up. So it's just a guesstimate. It's however much chicken you want to use is fine. And I have some barbecue sauce, and I'm just going to pour this over the chicken so I get it coated really nicely. And I'm just going to stir it all in. And I may have to use more, I don't know. We'll see. But just get all the chicken pieces coated with this barbecue sauce. Now we're going to take our chicken and our barbecue sauce, and we're going to put it right over our tachos, or our tater tots I should say, like that. I'm going to be adding some pepper jack cheese. You can use pepper jack, regular jack is fine. You can use cheddar, whatever you want, but I thought just a little added kick from the pepper jack would be good. And I'm just going to put it all over the tachos like that. Now what I want to do is I want to melt this cheese. So I'm just going to pop this in the oven, I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe a little longer, so that the cheese melts. I'll be back in a sec. And here we go. Here are the tachos, all nice and melty with that cheese. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to add some coleslaw on top. You don't have to do this. I just thought it would be kind of a neat thing to do. Totally up to you. You can add more cheese, whatever you want to do. This is like a canvas. And then to brighten it up a bit, let's add some green onions or scallions. And then obviously, if you want more cheese, you can add that too. But look how beautiful this is, you guys. Look at that. This would be perfect for your Super Bowl or game night or just whenever. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I hope you did too. I hope you use this recipe. I think it's a winner-winner. If you like this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.